Be strong.
Okay guys, so this is really simple. Basically all I do is use an app called NFCXYZ. Like so, then I place the phone down over the NFC tag. And wait a second. And it'll read it. Now, as long as it says chip unlocked, we're good to go. Now, I'm using the XYZ full color 3D printer, so I've got to make sure that I set it to the color inkjet. Now, most of the time people say that the XYZ filament is white. It's not. If you select white, it will not load. You will probably be able to use it for normal prints and so on. But with this one, I have to actually go down and make sure I select nature. And then just ensure that color is nature. And then new spool length, 200. Right tag. Now if I take the tag away, so the tag's now away from the phone, put the tag back, and you'll see filament information, PLA, colour inkjet, nature, 200 meters, remaining on 200 meters. That's it. Now this tag I can keep updating, I can change as many times as I want, so I can change it to PLA, red, right tag, tag rip, take the tag away, put the tag back, PLA red 200. Now as soon as I put this tag onto the machine where the spool holder is, it will become locked and you will not be able to change it. So keep that in mind. Like, I think this one's locked. There we go. Chip is locked, and that's PLA color inkjet. Clear I put on this one, 100, did not work. It had to be nature for it to work with a color printer. So just bear that in mind. But with this tag, you can literally write any you want, and it will change all the settings necessary. So if you've got a heated bed on the juniors, I think it's a Junior Pro one that comes with a heated bed, it will change all the settings that's needed. So you've got PET G, you've got flexible, ABS, water soluble, all that. All you have to do is select it. You can change it as many times as you want until you link it to a machine. Again, this that costs $2.99. Tag lost. D6. I've got a phone case on. It's easy if you don't have a phone case. There we go. Tag updated, and then you're able to change it as many times as you want. So I just hope this helps.
Be strong.